Be careful the crabs. Be careful. I told you.
Cheers. The struggle, you guys.
Deliciousness next level. All right there. Thank you.
Say Montana.
Whoa!
Imagine New
Videotape
Zealand.
this guy, please.
Why?
He's going 6 kilometers an hour.
Hey, buddy.
Come here. Come here. Or not.
No.
Dangerous cliff. Keep out. How stupid are you?
I am not going down there. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm currently on the way to Maui right now. My charger was dead the whole entire day. I thought I charged it last night before I went to bed, but apparently not, but that's okay. I'm currently on the plane right now on the way to Maui. Just eating my food, and Christian's on the other side right now. I'll show you guys. Officially day 2 here for us in Maui. We didn't do a lot of vlogging yesterday just because what we did is basically a full day of grocery shopping at Costco. But today we're gonna go surfing. We had a morning run, breakfast on the balcony, enjoyed the beach, and now we're gonna hit up some waves. Hopefully we'll find a good spot, have lunch on the beach.
That's right.
And that's the plan so far today. Guys, welcome to day number 3. Is this number 3 now? So I guess we left off yesterday when we were at Kihei, and I just realized as I turned on my camera that we didn't even record the beach that we were at. But long story short, we ended up staying there for like a couple of hours just swimming around because it was so pretty. We actually went cliff jumping after that. We didn't end up recording that either. It's kind of hard to like vlog when it's like a family trip. I feel like, you know,
We're just enjoying it so much.
We're just enjoying our time here, and they've never been here. This is their first time, so our full attention's on them, but we're gonna vlog as much as we can on this trip. Right now we're on our way to
so we're gonna explore the whole north end of the island, so like the blowhole, the chutes and ladders. What else is there?
Honolulu.
Oh, like, you know, cliff jumping and like Honolulu Bay and the magical forest, and there's so many. I could like go on forever and ever, but
so yeah, that's just gonna be our day today. That's the plan. If you guys want to see our full day of activities, please keep watching. Yeah, there's like little dots on the screen right now. I don't know what's going on. We just tried fixing the settings. Okay, Macho Man, I get it. It's currently 9 p.m. right now and we're going for a walk. We didn't vlog the whole day today just because we woke up pretty late. Today was supposed to be just a chill day, so we ended up going to Honolulu Bay and did a little bit of snorkeling. Tomorrow we're gonna check out the sunrise at the Halakala sunrise.
What is it?
Halakala National Park. But yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.
We are cliff jumping. This is our spot right here.
We've been here a few times.
We've been here a few times, and I think this is the first time to see this place empty. And I'm so excited. This is awesome. And look at the sunset. So beautiful.
Woo! Swim out. Swim out. Swim out. Swim out.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to day numero 6. Is it 6 or 5? 6? Okay, perfect. So we just had breakfast. We're actually on our way to Road to Hana right now. It's almost 7 in the morning. Originally planned to be out by 5, but that really didn't work out. But that's okay. We're out here rolling. We're rolling. So how long is the drive to Road to Hana?
To get to Road to Hana?
Yeah.
An hour and 15 minutes.
An hour and 15 minutes? Like the whole thing? Or to get there?
To start the trip.
Okay.
But we're gonna go get gas. You need gas before you start this trip. You don't want to be stuck with no gas.
Because there ain't no AMA to call around. So if you guys want to stick around and see the beautiful Road to Hana, please keep watching.
Beautiful ocean and the palm trees. Sun is always shining, feel that cool breeze. Why you in a hurry? No need to rush things. Just sit back and cruise and we'll be. This place they call paradise, I call my own. Blessed to be born and raised local grown. This aloha going around, you know it's contagious. No, can't contain it. Yeah, my favorite place is that H-A-W-A.
Aloha guys, we're back here at the airport heading back to Canada. I can't believe this. We're going back home already. Time definitely flew by.
11 days are over.
Yeah, but we're going back home now and we had an amazing time here.
It was beautiful.
The weather's beautiful. We're definitely gonna miss that. But we'll catch you guys next time. We'll be in Tofino in 2 weeks. Mahalo!
If you like pina colada